Fifth standard maths chapter 9 decimal fraction problem set 41. So first heading, convert the following into decimal fraction and add them. So the question which we have been given, we have to convert them first into decimal fraction. ये दिए हुए क्वेश्चन को पहले नंबर्स में बनाना है और बाद में उसको ऐड करना है. So let's see. 1.5 meter. So we have to write here this 1.5 meter. So 1 and then half. So meter. So that equals to 1 decimal. ये जो half है वो बन गया 50 meter. And here second one 2.5. So 2 and half meter. So 2 decimal 50 meter. Now what they have said, add them. So 1 decimal 50 and then decimal के नीचे decimal आएगा. So here 50 and this 2. So 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 2, 3, 4. 4 decimal 0, 0. That means answer is 4. Now let's see second sums. 4 and 3/4. So 4 and 3/4. So that means 4 decimal 75. 7 and a quarter. So 7 and a quarter, single quarter, that means 1/4. So 7 decimal 25. Now we have to add. So 4 decimal 75, then decimal के नीचे decimal लिखना है तो 2, 5 and 7. 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 decimal equals to 0, 0. That means here rupees 12 and this was meter. First one was 4 meters. Third sums 6.5 meter. So 6.5 meter. Then 3/4, 3 and 3/4. So 3/4. So here 6 decimal 50 and here 3 decimal 75. Now we have to add them. So 6 decimal 50, 3 decimal 75. Always please keep in mind, हमेशा ध्यान दो decimal के नीचे decimal लिखना है. Then only your sums will be correct. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. So 1 will carry over here. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 decimal 25 meters. So here solution will be 10 decimal 25 meters. Second heading, add the following. Add the following. So they have given us these numbers and we have to add them. So now this is what 23 decimal 4. So now before writing the second one, put decimal. पहले decimal लिख लो. फिर यहाँ पे decimal के बाद 9 है. Decimal के पहले 7 and 8. Now you can add 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 carry, 8, 9, 10, 11, 8, 9, 10, 11. So your answer is 111 decimal 3. Second sums. Same, put decimal. Then first one is 7435. 6 6, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry, 3, 4, 5 and 8 and your decimal. So your answer is 852 decimal 34. Now your third sums, I have already placed it in proper manner. डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल के हिसाब से प्रॉपर मैनर में लगाना. 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. 1 carry. 9, 10 plus 18. So 8, 1 carry. 6 plus 4, 10 and 1, 11. 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8. So 81 decimal 83. Fourth sums, again decimal के नीचे decimal and right hand side, left hand side. So 3 plus 8, 11. 1 carry. 9, 10. 9, 10, 11. 1 carry. 5 and ये decimal. So this is 51 decimal 01. Add the following. So 4 plus 5, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 6, 11. So 119 decimal 9 और ये सेंटीमीटर दिया हुआ है तो सेंटीमीटर. Now here again, see question was 94.7. So 94.7. So first I put decimal. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल, अदरवाइज योर आंसर विल रॉन्ग, नहीं तो आपका आंसर रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. अब यहाँ डेसिमल के बाद 2 डिजिट दिए है. सो इमीडिएटली जो स्टार्टिंग में 4 और 5 यहाँ डिजिट नहीं है ना, सो यू कैन राइट 0. देन हियर ऑल्सो इट वॉज 1000 और ये 100 में है, सो यहाँ नंबर नहीं है तो यू कैन टेक 0. नाउ डू एडिशन. 0 plus 5, 5. 7 plus 4, 11. 8, 9, 10. 13, 1 carry. 10, 13, 1 carry. 8, 1. So 1833 decimal 15 meter. After decimal we read it as 15. Third sums, again place in decimal form. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 carry. 8, 9, 10. 1 carry. 6 and 4, 10. 1 carry. 8, 9, 10. 1 carry. 6. 6000 decimal 00 rupees. That is ये हुआ रुपीज़ 6000. वाई? बिकॉज डेसिमल के बाद अगर ज़ीरो आता है तो इट हैज़ नो वैल्यू, यहाँ पे नंबर नहीं है ना, तो ज़ीरो हट जाएगा. योर आंसर इज 6000.